That's boring. There's nothing to do.
I don't think they were talking to you.
Huh?
Yeah.
Hello, everybody.
Wait,
Oh.
who is that?
Ha.
Hi.
My name is Clock. Thing that you tell the time. Oh, wait, my name is not Nagras. You cut that out. Compete in my competition show.
Baby.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Not so close, bro. I almost...
What? You all get fifth. The last thing said will be chosen as your team name.
Oh, teams? What are the... There's only 10 of us. What's the point?
We're running out of time to make our team name the strongest team on Earth. What?
Well, can we change it?
No.
Yo,
What?
we gotta do the challenge now.
I know! What do you think I'm doing?
Walking back and forth.
Wait, no! Ah!